Guys, welcome to the last tutorial of February. Enjoy the gold bricks tutorial. It is called gold bricks for the gold eye and brick for the brick lip. So guys, this is the last tutorial of February and I just wanted to kick it off with end it with just a bomb look. So I've sprayed my face with some rose water and I'm using my e.l.f. Lit From Within primer, and then you'll see me use my Black Radiance eyeshadow primer in a second. And while you're watching me do that, I just wanted to give a few little last minute Black History tidbits about myself and some people that are in the limelight. So Miss Halle Berry is from Cleveland, Ohio, and if you guys watch my Black History video, you guys know that I'm from right outside of Cleveland. So we Ohio fam, cuz. And it's time to color correct with my Black Radiance Salmon Corrector. It's growing on me. I'm starting to like it, y'all, so I don't know. I won't get rid of it just yet. So you guys see me now going over the corrector with my black opal concealer stick. And the star of the show is my Black Opal True Color Foundation in Truly Topaz. It is almost out and I will be repurchasing. Fun fact alert. In the year that I was born in 1986, Miss Halle Berry was actually crowned Miss Ohio, USA. Woo woo. Go ahead, Miss Halle Berry. Halle Berry, Halle Berry. I applied my foundation with the foundation brush and then I went in with my damp sponge to give it the airbrush look and smooth everything out. Time to highlight a little bit, and yes, I was being silly. And if you guys keep seeing me look to the left or the right, whichever way it is when you guys watch this, I was actually finishing up the last season of Grace and Frankie. It's freaking hilarious. If you have not watched it on Netflix, please do. It is for mature audiences, okay? Now I'm going in with my Sacha Buttercup to set, and I'm just going to pat it on, and I'm not trying to bake. Last fun fact about Miss Halle Berry. In 1995, Losing Isaiah came out, which is one of my favorite movies. And in 1997, Babs came out. Those two movies right there are the two that I remember her the most from. I feel the most excitement and happiness. Like, those roles gave me life. I know Losing Isaiah is a sad movie, but she did such an excellent job in that. Like, I will watch that as many times as it comes on. And Niecy from Babs was like my idol for some time when it came out. Like, that dance that she did, and I just wanted y'all just don't understand, that movie meant everything to me. And I wanted me an older white best friend too. But hey, you know, everybody don't get that life. Okay, and for brows, all I did was just find a nice brown liner and just filled them in. Just going with the natural flow of my brow. Brows are done. I'm showing you the finished eye on one side, and I've already highlighted that cheek if you can tell. But I'm going into my Berry Vibes palette by Black Radiance, and I'm going to get that camel color, and then I'm going to come in with a deeper color and the gold color that's in there. You'll see all of that, but then you'll also see me pick up my Color You pigment later to add on top. I'm just giving you guys the rundown real quick because it kind of happens fast.
A pretty picture for the ones that are lost in life. But even dreamers have the power to save a friend. And I know you are afraid that you fail again. You can take it to the grave, but it doesn't end with you. In the
So after I added that pink gold color, I was like, you know what? I need a little bit more oomph. So what I did was I got my Color You pigment in butterscotch and I threw it on top. I made sure I kind of foiled it a little bit just to give it some more, you know, vibrancy. After blending, I always go back in and try to add just a little bit more pigment to make sure I didn't lose any in translation. So that's what you guys just saw. Wanted to add a little boop to the look, so I just took that matte blue and just put it underneath my lash line. And of course I put some black eyeliner in. You guys won't see that on screen. And then there's the wing liner that's going to come and the lash. And then you guys will come back in a second and see the lip. And of course that pigment that I used on the lid, I'm going into the inner corner to give it that, that's the best word I have for it. On the last step, I'm going to take that same brown I used to fill in my brows to line my lips and fill them in pretty well. And the color that I used on my lips was Nini, and I believe it was by Ruby Kisses, but guys, I've rubbed off everything on this bottle, so it is what it is. It is a orangey, brown red, I don't know, like clay almost. It is a bomb color. Got it from my local beauty supply for like $2. Then you guys will see me put on my Milani Strobe Light Highlighter, and that is how I finished my look. I thank you guys for staying tuned. I hope you had a blessed February and a bomb Black History Month. So I will see you guys in my next video. I love you and thank you for your support.